In the name of Allah, A for apple, apple means egg. A for aloe, aloe means Hawaii jahaz. A for art means choti. More, A for acres, X means kunar. A for album means tasal, lakhni wali kitta. A for adam, adam means bazu. A for iron means hawa. A for arrow means deer. B for ball means game. Ball means ladka. B for ball means game. B for ball means kishti. More is B for bat means basta. B for bat means ball. B for book means kitab. B for beer means baby. Ball B for baby means bachcha. B for bell means gun. C for cat means lily. C for car means car. C for cake means road. More C for candle mombatti. C for chalk means maroon chuna. C for camel means hoe. C for corn means kanga. C for kyo means kawa. C for kulak means gully. D for dog means gudiya. D for dog means kutta. D for deer means shergan. D for donkey means ganga. D for door means daraja. D for duck means batta. D for desk means race. D for gay means dew. D for down means pakta. E for